firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For today's video, you will find the sentence at the end of the video under August 25. Except for that, the date is just used as a learning tool. It is not important what day you watch this video. So let's get started. We're going to start with our calendar. This is a calendar. And we're going to start with the months of the year. How many months are in 1 year? There are 12. Can you say them with me? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in a year. For today, we're talking about August. August is in the season called summer. There are 4 seasons in a year. Summer is the hottest season. That's when people usually have time off of school. They go swimming. You might go to summer camp. Activities that involve hot, right? Because it's really hot weather. After summer, it starts to cool down in the fall. Another word for fall is autumn. That's when the leaves change colors and they fall off the trees because it's starting to cool down. Because after fall is winter, our coldest season. And in many places, it snows in the winter. After winter, it starts to warm up again in the spring, and the leaves will come back on the trees, and the flowers will bloom, and then it gets to our hottest season again, summer. So these are our 4 seasons in the year. And since we're talking about August today, we're talking about, we said it falls in the summer. Okay? So we have number 24 here, and we need to figure out what the next day is. So the easiest way to do that is just to count. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. A 2 and a 5 makes 25. That's our number of today. Now I have to figure out what color my 25 should be because I have a pattern on my calendar. It's an ABB pattern. Red, black, black. So let's figure out what color our 25 should be. Red, black, black, 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 red. We need a red 25. Our letter for today is E. A short vowel E says like egg or elephant, A long vowel E says its name E, like in the word bee. Okay? Oh, sorry. If you're doing your calendar with me, all these worksheets you can print for free at First Step Reading. If you want to do your calendar, you need to circle August and 25, right? That's our number of today. Can you find 25? 2 and a 5. That's what you circle if you're doing the calendar. August 25. Now we're going to do the days of the week, which is this side. So we're going to start with the 7 days of the week song. If you know it, sing with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, today is Tuesday. For this video, it might not really be Tuesday, but that's okay. But if today is Tuesday, what day was it yesterday? If today was Tuesday, what day is it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. If today's Tuesday, what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. See, yesterday, tomorrow. So, you can either do your days of the week based on this video, or you can ask your adult what is the day of the week that you're watching this video, and you can try to figure out the day before and the day after. So today is Tuesday. So it's Monday was yesterday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay, that's how you do it. You look up here. You circle the date. You look before, and that would be yesterday, and you look after, and that is tomorrow. This is where you look. Okay? So for our calendar, we said the season is summer in August. Where you are, it might be another season. You might be watching this video on another date. So it might not be summer. You can ask your adult what the season is. And then to figure out your weather, you have to look out your window. I look out my window and I see it's sunny. And if I went outside, I would see it's hot. This is the temperature. You look out the window, you can see what it's like. You have to actually go outside with an adult to feel how hot it is. So when you look out the window, you might see it's raining, windy, might be snowing, might be cloudy. That you could see by looking out your window. When you go outside, you'll either feel it's hot, swimming weather, pretty hot, but not swimming weather, that's warm. Freezing, that's cold. Or not quite freezing, but pretty cold, that's cool. And that's your weather. So if you want, you could do your weather report. Our weather report got some water on it yesterday during our experiment, but we'll print a new one tomorrow. I'd fill in the square above hot, and hot and sunny. That's how I do my weather report. So that's it for our calendar section. Now we're going to move on to math. Okay? We're starting on math with skip counting. Counting by twos, counting by fives, and counting by tens. If you have these, you can take them out. You read the numbers in black. If not, no problem. You can read it with me. The twos are in green. The fives are in black. Are you ready? We're going to start with the twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. That's counting by twos. Now let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Amazing. Now we're going to count by tens all the way to 100. There's no sheet for this. It's up here. It's in red. So look up here and we'll do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Amazing job with your skip counting. Our worksheets got a little wet yesterday, but you can still see. You should practice your counting by twos, your counting by fives, and your counting by tens, because you don't want to forget. So practice these as often as you can. And now I'm going to get out our math for this week. This week we're talking about subtraction. So last week we talked about addition. This week we're talking about subtraction. Now let me turn this over so I have something to write on, and I'll show you the difference. Okay. So addition looks, you'll see this. Oops. You'll see a plus mark. That means addition. Subtraction, you'll see this. Oh, this marker's not working great. Let me get another marker. Addition, you see a plus mark. Subtraction, you see just a line like that. Okay, that's one difference. Addition means how many do I have all together? So if I have 2 candies and I get one more, how many candies do I have? 1, 2, 3. Right? Subtraction means I ate one, I lost one left. So that is subtraction. I have 2 candies. I ate 1 candy. How many do I have left? This number tells you how many you have. This one says how many to cross off. So you have 2. You cross off 1. What is left on this side? 1. Okay, that is subtraction. I have 2, right? I have 2. I eat 1. How many are left? 1. That is subtraction. I have 2. I eat 2. How many are left? 0. That is subtraction. I have 4. 2 bunnies hop away. How many are left? 2. That is subtraction. So you take this number, this is how many leave, and you cross those out to see how many you have left, because we're working with pictures. So let me put this here. You can see it better, and we'll do the worksheet from yesterday again. Make sure we understand, and then we'll move on to the worksheet for today. So this one is addition. That means all together. 1 dinosaur joins these 3 dinosaurs. How many dinosaurs? 1, 2, 3, 4 dinosaurs is my answer. Okay? Oh, this is what? This what? Oh, my eraser's wet. Okay. Now, subtraction. I have 3 dinosaurs and 1 leaves, right? Subtraction. How many are left? 2. Let me get a towel real quick. Sorry. This is wet, and my marker will not work. So I have 1 dinosaur, and he joins these 3, so I count all together because it's addition. So that would equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one, I have 3 dinosaurs and 1 left, so I cross 1 off. That equals 2. Okay? Now let's try this one. Oof. Falling today. Okay. Sorry, I'm just erasing from yesterday. So I want us to go over this one more time before we work on bigger numbers, right? Okay. So, it's in here. Erase here. Okay. So we have 2 candies. I eat 1. This tells me how many are leaving. So I cross 1 off. How many are left on this side? 1. I have 3 candies and I eat how many? 2. How many are left? 1. I have 4 candies and I ate 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 0. I have 4 candies and I ate 2 candies. How many are left over here? 2. This tells you how many to cross off from your first amount. Okay? Now we're going to try the one for today. The kitty cats. Okay, this is the worksheet, if you're ready for it, that I want you to try today. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kitty cats. This tells me how many leave from my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kitty cats. Says 2 kitty cats leave. So I'm taking 2 kitty cats away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2 go away. How many are left here? 3. This tells me how many leave. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 kitty cats. Okay? 4. 1, 2, 3 leave. 1, 2, 3 leave. Right? That tells me how many leave. How many are left? 1. This tells me how many cross off. 1, 2, 3. How many's left? 1. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kitty cats. How many leave? 2. 1, 2 I cross off. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kitty cats. And how many leave? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 leave. Cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Count how many I did not cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kitty cats. Okay? This tells you how many to cross off from the first pile. Okay? We have kitty cats you can do. Those go up to 10. If you're not ready for up to 10, work on your candies and your dinosaurs. Okay, those 3 are the ones we're working on so far. This you can use. This is a mat you can print. You count out anything you want to be your counters. We have counters you can print. Let's find it. All different kinds of counters you can print if you want. You can print them. These look like paper clips with little smiley faces. There's stars, there's dots. You can use anything you have. Little erasers work well. If you have counters, these are counters, they work well. So the way this works is you put the number that there are first. So let's say the number there was, okay, we'll do the 3 dinosaurs. So we'll do 3. Okay, so there's 3 dinosaurs. And then this says take the one, how many are here from here and put it there. So it says take 1 dinosaur away. So I take 1 away, and the answer is what's left here. 1, 2. So you can do it with counters if you want. Starting tomorrow, we're going to learn this more because we're not going to have things to cross off. We're going to try to work on with numbers. So we'll use this more. But You can try practicing it, or you could just work on crossing off right now because we have pictures, so it's easier to cross off. Okay, so this is subtraction. We're going to be working on it all week. I know it's a new concept. It's a hard concept, so we're going to keep reviewing it. Subtraction means something leaves, something's taken away, right? From the first amount, something leaves. Addition means something comes, so we get to count all of them. But subtraction, something leaves. Okay, so that is our math. Don't worry, we'll keep reviewing it. Work on your worksheets. Now we're going to move on to science. Okay, this week we're doing science experiments. So the first thing we do in a science experiment is we make a hypothesis. We think of a guess. So yesterday we did the egg and we did the pepper experiment. But the egg, we had to wait and see what happened. So far it's been 1 day since we did our experiment. And this is what our egg looks like. Whoa! It has really changed, right? Remember, we put an egg that looked like a normal egg straight out of the package with a shell. We put this in vinegar and left it there. Now we look at our egg after 1 day. There is no shell. It feels like a bouncy ball. The shell is gone. It's squishy. It's completely different. We'll leave it there. We can check on it tomorrow and see if it changes even more. So our final results we'll do tomorrow. You want to feel the egg? Okay.
Squishy. Is it bouncy?
Today we're doing this experiment with lemon juice. So this is just lemon juice. And this is a Q-tip. I'm dipping my Q-tip in my lemon juice. And I'm going to draw a picture. And I'm going to draw hearts and stars and happy faces and some flowers. Okay, that's the first part of the experiment. What do I think is going to happen? That's my hypothesis. First, before I start, I should say, what do I think is going to happen with my lemon juice on paper? And then I'm going to take a hair dryer. Once it already dries, what do I think is going to happen? I think it's going to be hard to see the lemon juice on the paper. So I think I'm going to draw blank paper because it's going to be invisible. Do I think the hair dryer is going to do anything? Here's my hair dryer. I think it's going to be invisible. Okay, that's my hair dryer. It's like the hot air in the cord. Okay. Then I draw my final results. What actually happened when I did my hair dryer on my paper. So first I have to let this dry, my picture, and tomorrow I'll do the hair dryer and we'll see what happened. So you could try this at home. Lemon juice, a Q-tip, and a white piece of paper. Draw your picture, let it dry. Then with an adult, a hot hair dryer, heat up your picture and watch what happens. Okay, that's the experiment for today. You can keep your egg in your vinegar for 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days and see what happens to your egg. Okay, that's the other experiment. Tomorrow, our science experiment is going to be, you're going to need Skittles. Okay? For tomorrow, you need a bag of Skittles, water, and a plate if you want to try that experiment. For the rest of the week, the only ingredients you would need is food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets. You'll have to tell that to your parents. Alka-Seltzer tablets, oil, and baking soda, vinegar, and a balloon. So all these will be online. Those will do all of our experiments. You need Skittles, you need vinegar, you need baking soda, Alka-Seltzer, and food coloring, and balloon for all the experiments for the rest of the week. And make your hypothesis before you do it of what you think is going to happen. Then do it and draw what actually happened. Okay? That is our science. Now we're moving on to language arts. Okay, for language arts, we said we were talking about the letter E, right? Our vowel E. So when we get to our long vowel song, when we say the first vowel says its name, we're going to say E. Okay? Other than that, let's get started together and sing our vowel song. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So these letters are your vowels. Every other letter is called a consonant. When you have one vowel, that's a short vowel. It makes the short vowel sound like a, I, If you have more than one vowel in a word, it could be a long vowel word, and then it says its name. A-E-I-O-U. Okay? We're talking about long vowels. So let's sing this song. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Vowel, vowel, consonant. The first vowel says its name, E. The second vowel says nothing. Okay? And here is our long vowel and review sentence for today. So these words are your sight words. These words. These are from book 1. These are from book 2. These are the words you need to memorize. Make flashcards, watch the sight word videos, memorize these words. A, at, and the. At, the. Oh, Pat feeds. Oh, there's no A. This one has the. This was probably supposed to say A. I probably wrote the sentence wrong. Let me put A there. Sorry. A, at, and the are the sight words. And then this sentence has a digraph, which is 2 letters that make one sound. So if you see CK, it says K, K, just like a K, just like a C by itself. K makes one sound. So right here, when we see CK, we say K. Okay? If we see 2 vowels next to each other, the first vowel says its name, the second vowel says nothing. So now let me circle our phonics words. These words we sound out. We do not guess our phonics words. We do not memorize our phonics words. We use our sounds. We use our clues. So this is a consonant. This is our vowel. Here's our vowels. The rest are consonants. Here's our vowel. This says k, but this is only one vowel, so it's just going to say right? One vowel says its sound. Let's try sounding out our sentence. At, pat, feed, feeds, a, duck, at the lake. That is my sentence. I'm going to read it one more time for understanding. Pat feeds a duck at the lake. So you can print this sentence under August 25th online and practice reading your long vowels and short vowel words and this CK sound. In the last chapter of Book 2, the last story goes over these digraphs. We did sh yesterday. Now we have k. So sh, k, inqua, ch. These are the blends that we're working on. It's a song. You can listen to the song sh, k, th, inqua, ch. And it goes over teaching you how to use these digraphs. And you can read this story, okay, to practice these digraphs and your short and long vowels. That's for today for language arts. Please continue to read your books, Book 1 and Book 2. Practice your sight words for language arts. There's lots of worksheets online. If you need practice with short vowel words or long vowel words, you can print those. All worksheets are free, print. You can watch the videos for practice learning to blend. And you can read your stories and do your sight word flashcards. Okay, that's for language arts. Math is subtraction. Work on your subtraction worksheets. And science is experiments. Try, if an adult says okay, you can do your egg experiment, your pepper experiment, or with the dish soap, pepper and water that we did yesterday. Or today you can do the lemon experiment and have an adult help you with the hair dryer. Okay, those are the 3 experiments we've done. Tomorrow's experiment needs Skittles. You can ask an adult if they will buy you Skittles, and then you can try that one. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Bye. Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading, and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.